This is a demo walkthrough on testing the Conversation API endpoint from Symbl.ai. Let's get started. We will be using Postman to test the API endpoints. After you start the connections, after you stop the connection, you will have the conversation ID. This conversation ID will be used for Conversation API. Let's do a test with the message endpoints. Put the correct conversation ID and make sure that you have the access token. This is the response from the message endpoints. We can see the whole transcription of the conversation has been recorded. And for each message, we will have a unique ID, which is the message ID. And then we have the text corresponding to the conversation text itself. From is an object that has name and email, refer to the user who says this particular text or the participant who says this particular text in the conversations. And for each of the message, we will have the start time and the end time. And this whole messages has a particular transcription ID and particular conversation ID. Let's do another test. Use the conversation ID and put it over here. Make sure you have the correct access token. So from here, from all your conversation, all the particular messages that has been identified with a type of action items will be listed here. Let's go for example. This particular action item has an ID, and then we also have the text, which refers to the conversation text. In this example, I will document the details and share the result of my research in the meeting next week. So this, the response type for this particular message or particular tag is considered as an action item with a score of 1. The score is a confidence level, range from 0 to 1. And this is the corresponding message ID, and this is the entities identified within this particular text. And in this example, the text next week over here is an entity that has been identified as a date range, and that starts. This conversation happens on March 23rd, so the start of next week will be March 30th, and the end of next week will be April 6th. So, and we can know that by next week, which is March 30th, is the due date for this particular action item. And you as a user and developer can use this to probably automatically create a reminder on Google Calendar and more. There's a lot more conversation API that are available. Feel free to go to the documentations and scroll down to Conversation API where you can learn more. Yeah, happy building. Thank you.